ebi ono wato ne beye 3 months ebi wato ne beye 6 months mo madam fu bi mpo ne nyina beye 1 year kra na eja on de Jessica on hunto no to bibire guso obi oto bia oteki be wato beye 2 months enya nsan no so no obeye ne den
bia anya bi say na me say yenya yefa month by month so
yeah
the first month no they are calculating na half on the credit to na the next month they are total consumption divided by 2 na half on no the what the no no the payment na the other 50 no so percent no so they are credit to you find say what money there say no ubenya 50 that's 150 no extra.
Oh, okay. Okay, mo be credit ni pa no ahead. The say bianca or say bianca ne sabi be June what to be 3 months bia na say the next 3 months go na nim nyina no so benya kakra wo so because mo dey credit on ahead.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
Instead time yeah. Benya extra equivalent to the 3 months total, half of the 3 months total no.
Okay.
And no
Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. Well, Mr. Beduma na wase I would say that wakan afi na aba enti wo de yenya botre kakra na yenje say mo de computation ni bibia de ba na afi de mo de nchechim na maye mo ne be benya wo studio because we say be controversy be obi wo ha obekọ baby ye ton fencing credit so kwakoto credit be office bi o aka wo say be kan ho ameka ho just say me need be see chiri but definitely there will be a kind of controversies kakra enti wo de ibenya ofia na chire de wonko mti yakopon kan ho bi be satu afro bi
mesmo da city ya tibia be ne kama obi ne ho be sisi no ya udi ombia no sabeka.
Okay, but the coffee complain say lockdown and light off na ya doors nti oda roma yes register mu aka ho nti we de mo hwe na lockdown why say you light out there hardware especially minia baby war yes adanse asokwa mampon any afidwas na areas adanse asokompo de nra the hold the normal off asante mampon sisa ono no e problem na wo kitikiti sai
me pon show be brave say say can obi asabre light my no de enti kwa bi fa so e be hama abano adanse asokwa any mampon 24 no ye be hwe ye timo wa ye be gina so na ya hwe e bia na be hwe na ahoma bi na ate ana obi kwa ko twia no o de ate ahoma na agufom enti bebre wa etisen o be hwe ne bi kwa po bi no makobu no na o manka enti be patrol line no so nyina the jump pack bi na aka tipo te ahoma bi na tipo whatever there is no ye better na ya so nti the chief in Nasi, your mom so happy Easter.
Okay. Mama no ase Mr. Bedu, Mr. Rasmus Bedu, no ya Shanti, regional PR manager at the electricity company of Ghana, Motini, can bring in the time to 2 minutes after 7. Hi, Nhyira 104.5 or number 1 Akan radio station. Why? Mama in central jam ko yeduma kakra na me ba. Na afia be expanding na kufado na discussions ni ahwe. Enra e was central region. Assembly si wo ho na che se enra chi na ko ba se central region record the first case our region wama ibibinya 7 regions out of this after the 16 na nkofo your madness and comedy other areas we be events saying isolation center St. Augustine College and afi Efutu Senior High School na comedy isolation center but na demonstration kese pa and the course with Futu Iowa Cape Coast and afi St. Augustine a teacher for kick against the decision by the health authorities and community sue both schools as isolation center yankoni kodin komo kakra Kofi Justice ono ye Coffee Justice ono ye Central Regional Correspondent at the multimedia no odi asem nachi Coffee ye mo ache mo akwa ba mo official pe the bench FM
yo madam bocho majo do
ambacho na wote ndeno
bocho nyamena do muhuye
Danyamiasi. Bemuka cry. Edie na kobantia. Ama for muwe futu. Ena fi St. Augustine's teacher for say omompene ema yenyusu both schools as an isolation center or central region.
Yo, my brother, Dembre, Uzikan, as a Atugwanin, na yin, but we are down fan in Nhyira, or yeah, them COVID-19, some wabe, ma, or be abada or manigana da and penny fruit and a month, then robber ya we to wash on, or yeah, the penimu, and 50 months to mu, yansa some dough. Obato gwede obenyin Kro wenya in fee edition 57 wenye bi ne da minti owayara sabia na bra na contact tracing team so wogudo wo dijuma dem bra manfo onye wona ezinkita hono wotum won so wa hwehwe won pom anyenye biara se wenye yereba ne bi ana wenye bia mo namdo ma wosinyi pedue baasa oye 13 in a contact tracing team no woni won ezinkita ho na wako here de opede wope baby a was it them enyanumi was one beshe ama wetum them in that diana and 14 days and wahwehwe one room anyenye bia so wonye yereba ni bia ama wetum wa so ano me da min so ye central regional director of health oye Dr. Akoso Wusu Safon onye regional minister na mpenyimfo wo hye nsamtrofo binum na wodi to gwade Damini padie basana no okohwe binum hono fie wo hunde binum botum aye self quarantine na binum so de wontum wonye isolation wona woni fie na waiting here there o se de asoe no wo pe baby a wozi yan enuanomi wozi won bokọ akogu bra wo hwehwe wonum pomuni na okoba ni de wozi wonanyi bo oye efutu secondary technical de wona so won nke wozi wona akọ na brisin oye eneda na pana wotu ana Monday wozi okosisi ho then wozi enuanum ekogu wonen ene krom ho megbun wo silalai yanka peni de biara da ozena yerebe wosu wabo ho dewo na oye hunene no onya che o nche bia anhwa na ozo kwanene amakroma mfo no wose wonpen ma wonfa oye school no mfanya bia wozi enuanum ebogu ne da minti bebun o block kwanene my regional police commander COP for Manly Awini onyine dom wobo ho mfa no ne wache be 6 hours na sana na washa de we anzamaro kwan inyaza ekuma mufone no woba pene ma wozi ho azi juma wopede wozizin ma ono de wofi ho ma wozi woninyi kire St. Augustine's College na wopede wo yo na bra wokodu wono nso ni mfa onam de achechefo na wonebusiafo wote campus wonen one bo andredo kra de one pin ma one fa one so fa ya isolation center send one so word in one ebuhye no ho ma one the workshop oye protest letter that was the push regional minister na anamona we 20 oye ene de ne in fact na oye den wo finfi manto mo ha na ma oye ye onyi na bra ye kodu efutu ne nanum na mpanyimfo wo krom wo ka de oye emergency response committee ne wotu anamona otedema enka ikoni mpanyimfo a wode kona no nka woyi wona asutirimpo wanyi wona asutibiara ma wote anyi de wopede wonyi de mnkofo no wozeba mfa do ya aza na oho o mpanyimfo a woda efutu krona no papa ne de minti za na wona bebu no woro ye ne won sebe ntumi nyi wona nka se kiri ansa na wonyi wakasa mabodwa ba na mumpene de wose wompene ma wonfa ho nya isolation center bebu na yenyi wonzi komonza wa kanye de na nseyara abane yan hwehwe de won fumigate oye market in some places in oye efutu ho de fumigation na woye wo ogwamen sinimu nen wandwe no wono ho de o cheche wonso wonye fumigation bia oye obobo wona asetina nanso wonya enuanum ya cheche bia wope babies wona hye ma 14 days and yarabaze ono wazi ho aba so wandwe no ho anya fumigation ama hon na wonya yarabaze ono ze wopede wozi bakrom hoza onye no kode wobo makwan de biara da ne da minti wampin oye ne de no fon yete de mebu binum woda no wo ho watchman na wo school wo hwede cheche wo bi baba ba wa ma ya se de so wonyim wo biara wo oye egwafu efutu secondary technical honiza enyaza anyipa no woze no ho bacha no kra nti ogudui wo bompempe wo ho adem roba ya nhihye mpanyimfo ye no wonfo biara mba wo is ana waste wo in fact oyedin wa my kom so as when you for ogwame cinema ehu agba amanfo papa oye ne da nkomo obiari zanye da obenden na dem nyipe mayeti senye na nyipe so se oyosofo ne da mintu ama amanfo wonu bufu de oye dewurubo ahororo kodo enchechiri a radio do tv do ko wakate mu adechi na adese nyina waji nyene mbri nyina ra ne de enyimde ti akontuma banansen efi Kro Adam yerebe etu sawoda fa wo hu ko chedem be 14 days another kwayare sabia na won hwe wo pom na mi benyini obodu ha oye 17th March wa hye ni fia wa mfano ho anko ayare sabia so de wire ma wo kolaba inde wa be de why in fact wa manfo wo bufu papa de papi onyi ogwaminsin engine ye titire wo ko hu de oye software easy ntaye nyame easy na nka ye wo nyame so azi na abo but wentu na mo not them so am so abehya manfo hu ne mu na za wore kanye de yerebe onya yereba onam de ifa kon bon bidu nenye nanso onam apum asoefun de way why yereba no hunin wa ma sisia za ye kan brofo kasem stigmatization aba ebezika ne de minta manfo nyampa wontum wonfo woni zintuga enka obaya won no fi de enka wonye education ye dem bromba ya stigmatization be fi amanyi panin nye bia obutum ozinizin atugwa osene sezinizin tugwa enne sona otimna enka manfu wanga so bomudo odamin osimesi minyinizi nkita ho ne damin so se da mutu ana mo voluntarily woko ayaresabia ma wonso wo ye test wo ze mo won na the way Ministry of Health wo holding some ne bebre why and secrecy wa masa ebinyin damin page nkita ho ndimpa wan se nyim nipa ne identity nen obaye zinde waranga sampo ebutum etu wesi wo da require sabia na wa hwehwe wumpom dem robaya se nye yereba ni bia kwana osada wo fodo na wo pe apomizimo no wo ye nti woni ze ika wo susu de the way wo hold information about one way nye binene yen look at that aspect yen massive education na stigmatization if you among nyina rewiaza for na one way nye bi ko UK one prime minister nye bi de was in na atugwa mpanyinfo etitire no was one to go into Ghana or na what information will hold the sister Ranzama yedin amayen inside says a man for so what to go there so you know be and that aspect and education botuma kodo na stigmatization if you am obi obenye bi was in to go and can also bobwa queen yin na year queen
Kafin see no more to me identify a new place and an area for this isolation center and as a store or more consider St. Augustine Hona.
For now, and you bring in regional commander was the police who called them robber. Obutum we used to before na year regional health directorate a team in regional health director need the two were there. One would need security idea. Name won't be use as isolation and obey here bambo or 24/7 days throughout. Them robber nkofun obiaring to main fiho. Inti regional commander so osha one board so for the bambo who when you how why a crowd there Obama on the bambo so long as when your baby a wopeda was the isolation center inti ana pay bana boy yan ho na yazin yin actually or yes in Augustine so ya hwe anyi biara one wo user zaru kodo in fact a futu for one pin my sister St. Augustine's college won so wo protesting baye asozi kese abada okwi team no do o sene menyim dam tupe wenye bebia menyim bebia so woye wadwen there was one rokobi wa ono wobaji atom menyim se community bi baji atoma because from what others have done and I think they might also take the same steps obayezin ama okuyambako o che debia so no hotel bi na wo bokwa campaign for bokwa ka he na wozo won egu na waye ya na azuku so yezinya na so to form yere kanyi dey such a central regional ayasabia enum na way yes what they say church yenye da minsami bia wo bokro wono do ho oye Cape Coast Teaching Hospital, Cape Coast Metro Hospital, Ejumako Government Hospital, Winneba Trauma and Specialist Hospital, and Dunkonofin Government Hospital. The mean be no mean the way yes wo fin mantoma or was this what they say yerbani bi ba wo bohwena wa kro wono do wo ho na zayer thing de ehune zawezi kana we see the Bena region, oh, he found over isolation centers. Name mom health workers now, why your front line workers now, work them you pay when you're busy. As at now, Nyama Obia and Shadaren, how are they quarantining those health officials? What approach ATP win some? Yes, in an answer to 2 for my yes, I'm going to be more cado. Everything is okay, but in your bottom, ya can't want to come in Zaman ye. Them facilities here where you use when you mean the what by a treatment center and by a kaza we here in Tura we here what I set up and must a case in Rocoso Dosa. We to one manage yen and Yabutum Yakacho there. In fact, in Yama in Koye, Cape Coast Teaching Hospital pe in Sierra in Shishanam Penina order. I are Sabian and what I refer Nana wasn't bo. No way to why when you are why you set up, but other facilities yeah, but the information we are taking there, the grounds and in fact those facilities.
Okay.
Nyama in Shadaran, they come you crack. I'm on your phone and you're paying for Amna was it one on the customary door so in the human also that way. Okay. Also the way you go.
Mate, Mamma was a Pinakopon Yenia Coffee Justice or no air multimedia correspondent or Central Region Cape Kusamotineka, a far protester, a year and a coso, a futu, and a few so Saint Augustine. Well, table for way, friends and some my course we keep quickly uncle tema now shootings at Kakrabi course say obey baba consuso no night duty Emma sojourn accidentally to echo ball need to make ball baba con night my uncle Mrs. at say enia Kwame Yanka Kwame na boko there okay, Nyamia brief kakra sisi ana kosi sen tema no eba no sen na sisi ana oba no he na sojourn no so wo fa
Yo, mami, in free hase na no na pa fabria mu na ntie anati beto just a pussy for ne asoja for esan mountain and shenya ada to ho efa COVID-19 huntino na wo boban e tema Newtown checkpoint bi o ma mountain ho na bi nim de ko ba say ye infonso bi ana say de adekopo baya ma so they need to you know a bedding na so they don't make sense but the able seaman upon the queen na the thing say temano obano Bible ma so the phone ya free na eja kwetene international lockdown kweba obatama approach phone ya so the phone odiduma titru ebomu nti no ano ebeto dwa say etuato manaka push ni balance corporal Francisca Tingeno na manfo won na say hwehwe so kakra na dia no dia kan say enkwa bapayo isan say etu kwa no pempi no itimiti say obi wo duty mano apem na so atwabo na kasa mane dia we pra and I say dia we free mumpo nti na manfo efa no say there is be na kobakofin say mpemfo ebe nhwehwemu na fekotoko ebe mu say ampa bibi adwin bi se teacher ma etu no to no amanfo na enko akomentu yim na etu no dia pote boy ne Lance Corporal Francisca Tengi ne nan eko ne stre echi ho no na ho na etu no boy na Dr. Fochi ma kwan fa so born nti no amano in practice is pimpin da kai to abobia ya na amanfo hwehwe enim say bia moda dodo na na ebetu no na mom o hwe kwan fa so a born na boy mani pie nti no ebra wo pray no din pie Tamadina Hospital no na che say enya de bia gonu bakata oblidi profusely che say no mi tamne you know sabre na nti no eno akwa no eye a doctor for na say say jan so ehwe no ema ento eno enu na omuyi na sabe ame ka say ofie na hwemu so ahase ewa police for afemu eni eye asoja foina afemu na no tama police for Tamarina command no at the car tabe toja acting PRO chief inspector de japasu insha sa sene chemu woni absuda fori to kese anase odin kita ho ahwe kwanya we ko bae na no mo absuda fo mpinfo ebetu jafa ebo one seaman upon the queen asem no ho no we tu eja fa ho it is stand which na kan tema de see
okay this again the more discharge no more you know few hospital
Saturday intino enno na se oni tamagena hospital na amafo ni mfiti anapa betem enno na enno no mo yina be ofia owo ahunjema na so hwese ne ho beto no wasan abe ejuma.
Okay. Mono asipi Kwame Yanka Nyankopon kan bibi ebesa to yensafro yensam tuni Kwame Yanka ono ewo tema ena motine ke batiko Nhyira 104.5 the official Facebook page inia ba Lance Corporal Francis Katenge no ne phone da very beautiful lady ba kokko fefefe kama pa we aduana ba kufiat asante taste ono de ma kokko no pe kama pa nti ukwa bonso Lance Corporal Francis Katenge no picture da ho said resident isi ko nyina da Nhyira 104.5 your official Facebook page hi Nhyira o number 1 account radio station na sekese nkoma sunlight and pay ufie unko baby aba mona se ubusi niema be shi sunlight sabina se sia de no ana nyina ya jatum ebo aye pa sunlight de hwehwehwe me kama ne bon so da fom bia pa but mona use sunlight at the same time star life assurance me control kisia de nyina yenim na nyina na yesusu da se enne good friday pa nipa be shedamu we romani catholic ni pa na good friday we shedamu na kanei memudua ena kaye kwe nyina shedamu a enya sem ketwa na we chesa mpanso future wonim de e wode maw bibia tumisi wa brabom ochina ena wona mo kama brantia wo ko ba auto ka mu bia wo cruise ko ben ohwe ni ya na asem yakoto wa won susu da tibomodin a so for personal life and fendi agranuti and star life assurance am a lot of personal life insurance policies say bomodin na pick we say the be ya in unfortunate incident biba and as asem koto wa benya baby edon sakoba betumi abaye disable betumi lusu adwuma betumi ayare kesiare betumi abowa jonko awonti ase empo sadly ubetumi ewu now you don't know they don't be the moment pick up this life insurance policy 5-star life assurance for not secure your future but when that's over 030 030-273-9600 visit the branch be a bia number one pick this life insurance policy from Star Life Assurance. Star Life, your solid partner for life and a pay apps assuming control say called digital. Now it's about digital banking. Wow, into apps assuming control so which much of you at the comfort of your home and why a lot of transactions far a banking for instance between instant money transfers or by free mobile money transfers up to 100 Ghana cedis daily between your bill with your airtime with your beer on APSA a vertical card and also what deposit ATM so it's so be download do APSA app no phone so no enjoy a lot of e-banking and digital banking. It is still safe and the APSA cares for you. To Bomodia, visit APSA.com for more. Remember, terms and conditions apply. APSA will be ajiatum say and the Obokata in Sempina ba Nina Feprenana Kufado ne Edran some of the two far free electricity bill for lifeline consumers and of course industrial and commercial and other household so 50% are buying Subabefa for the months of April, May, and June. The Obokata the Muslim Pinaba, and of course Ghana, your record as is here, you could do 378. Mr. Babanama will break down and Muslim Pinao, Nad Kai, say MTN, and I did the Obokata Muslimina at the Bros. Is here, I'm going to the other friend Flexi Bundle, and also by that star 138 hash. Star 138 hash. No, I enjoy a lot of bundles from MTN. Remember, MTN bundle there is spider. You keep on enjoying so much more from MTN. Remember, MTN is everywhere you go. Tibomania dial star 138 hash. Enjoy MTN bundle. Nhyira 104.5 number 1 Akane radio station. Mama Jenkrato ena yebe pontem timi ba ya kwala no so ne dinkomo but betumi de won so voice note dia ba so uni access to voice note when access with me fra voice note no 0244320564 na 0244320564 tebomodia se onso obomodia na waye den wakona wa send voice note e dia ba enti 0244320564 bomodia say jaw so send voice note dia ba but meantime happy birthday enkomia me bosin friend osanso morning show producer Angel FM Dr. Say Yaw Nimakun. Anyway, say Yaw Nimakun. Maybe you couldn't say anything, but say Yaw Nimakun and your birthday. Happy birthday to you. From you, the team, Nhyira FM, and from the producer Bernard, and of course, all the entire team, you will show happy birthday. And Yaw Nimakun. And I'll pay happy birthday to you. You're one of the wonderful producers and of course very knowledgeable and of course hardworking guy. Enti mamicha minia kwame tanku minim senawo yedwuma na so enjoy dia. And afi minia Fancy Di Maria munyina mo Angel and of course Ike the Unpredictable. And I'll pay munyina all the best. But mamicha katoka kana meba na yabomoden na ya hwe. Mamicha just one commercial break ba na ya to aso dia mamo. Nhyira 104.5. Nhyira.
Fellow Ghanaians, once again, good evening. Today is the 6th time I'm coming into your homes since we began our collective effort to combat the coronavirus pandemic and to implement measures aimed at containing and defeating it. I have, first of all, to tell you how proud and privileged I am to be your president, not just to fight for you, but also to fight with you and to help shepherd our country out of this crisis. I said in my last address, the government's policy in this entire drama will be largely driven by science. That is tracing, testing, and treatment. We now see that the decision to close down our borders has been justified. 105 of the confirmed cases came from those who were mandatorily quarantined and tested on their arrival in our country on 21st and 22nd March. 192 of the cases came from travelers who entered the country before the closure and their contacts. 79% of the 378 confirmed cases are thus imported. Clearly, until we have the situation fully under control, we cannot at this time open our borders. They will have to remain shut until further notice. Further, the partial lockdown of Accra and Kumasi has facilitated a more aggressive program of enhanced contact tracing with a total of 450 teams. 37,405 samples have been taken, of which 31,933 are in Accra and 5,472 are in Kumasi. As of Wednesday, yesterday, 8th April, a total of 14,611 contacts of the samples collected have been tested for the virus in Accra and Kumasi. For Accra, 11,308 contacts were tested, and 52, i.e. 0.46% of them were found to be positive. In Kumasi, 3,303 contacts have been tested, and 25, i.e. 0.76%, have been found to be positive. In total, 77 positive cases were recorded in Accra and Kumasi, representing 0.53% of the 14,611 tested. Whilst the results are encouraging in suggesting a limited number of positives and community spread, we expect to be able to test some 10,000 additional samples in the coming week to give us a clearer picture to enable us to take a decision on the way forward. It appears that our common efforts have been modestly successful in containing the virus and minimizing the spread. Undoubtedly, the decisions taken from day one to act quickly and decisively and impose what may have seemed like harsh restrictions have now proven to be effective and have saved a lot of lives. However, this fight is not yet over, and we're by no means out of the woods yet. As I said, we now have in total 378 confirmed cases of infections, with 6 deaths, 4 recoveries, 2 in critical condition, and the remaining 370 are mild cases who are in isolation and either being managed at home or at treatment centers. Fellow Ghanaians, I've come to you this evening to ask for your continued patience as we continue to implement and extend the efforts that have so far proven to be helpful. It is important that we stay the course and bear with the difficulties that come with it. The final result, hopefully, will be freedom from the virus. So the decision has been taken through the issuance of another executive instrument to extend the restriction on movements in the Greater Accra metropolitan area and Kaswa, and the Greater Kumasi metropolitan area and its contiguous districts by 1 more week, beginning 1 a.m. on Monday the 13th of April, subject to review. As part of measures to mitigate the effects of the pandemic on the social and economic life of the country, I indicated in my last speech, the government will absorb water bills for all Ghanaians for the next 3 months, i.e. April, May, and June. Furthermore, water tankers, publicly and privately owned, are being mobilized to ensure the supply of water to vulnerable communities. We have decided on further measures of mitigation for all Ghanaians for the next 3 months, i.e. April, May, and June. Government will fully absorb electricity bills for the poorest of the poor.
The edition and a good Friday, Mamunina, happy Easter, and Mamunina, so very good Friday, and pay Mamufia. Ya bibinti to me and Quasore and Nanka Easter Friday, Kenya shooting to Masham to me, dear, Consider 104.5 minutes of Masham to just a Catholic, the Catholic, dear, and the minimum said, Easter Friday. To some tune to me, the Memphis Diagro. And Mamunina, happy Easter Friday, Neja, bibinti Ofi, but I'm not saying a kind, another Danko Kufa, the Tuga. Here the Ghana cases no I could do 378 and 378 no emu4 and now recover emu6 ewu dia kan de bi mu ho aye you omo omakofie ye show mo na to 376 192 cases no eye omo omufia mo na de ba ya before say be close border which is about 79% of the 278 confirmed cases ewu Ghana see about 37,000 and ya suspect mo ye contact tracing na 37,000 Ghanaians and you say omo ye suspect omo enti omo gusu ye contact tracing na out of the 37 no emu 14,611 ɛna both Accra and Kumasi yɛtumi a contact wɔn 14,000 611 ɛna Accra ɛne Kumasi yɛtumi a contact wɔn na ofa Accra emu 11,308 ɛna yɛ contact wɔn yɛ test yɛ na yɛ test yɛ no mu 52 out of 11,308 no ɛna test positive a kyɛ sɛ yɛ 0.46% of the 11,308 no nti emu 52 ɛwɔ Accra ɛna so test yen obepiem ewo Kumasi Ashanti region hanso dia na chese Kumasi so dia no mpacho meba o Kumasi edie no so 3,000 na emu 3,000 emu 25 ena omonso so enya bi a chese okani nyina edibo mu a na chese ye 77 both Accra and Kumasi nyina no 77 ena omonya bi a ye 0.53% of the 14,611 ye test o munyina no ti wenyina ka obi enama sisi Ghana ye jampo edi akọ ye 376 no nti sign temperature Kumasi specifically ye 3,303 contact and ya test and emu 25 that is 0.76% and omunya positive asisi ade obatama me nko quickly na yeni nkomo kakra na yeni nkomo kakra na yenhwe Dr. Smart Sapon ono a senior research fellow Kumasi Technical University yenhwe san komo bebe efa sebema e free electricity ni ade anopye de nkomo yi wo impact bi e economy no so starting from a free water for 3 months this year the lifeline consumers free and of course industrial commercial and residents 50%. Doc yamwache makoba e de ben chef mu Kumasi
me jozo papa
aboko de
Adam nem pa bona mpa chomo so
emi adum ye ho ye pa ye hwe Vincent ewiase nyina sesi ade ye se ya hwe ni ye na ye benya the worst economic recession especially Africa a chese World Bank for predicted their money ade Ghana last week finance minister de betuga say be so much about 9 billion revenue ni ade a chese be fa ba affect economy ni ye pa meanwhile we nyina chi no president egusu e ma enima free ni ade a se nsuo be ka ho a se light no so ebia be ka ho any other nyina COVID-19 and implications economy no Ghana betumi affect yana and who so to say
yo papa medawase na macha yadisha yetinsha anano pay no makase ane ebinyezi nsanso e Ghana so Ghana ka wiase amama ne ho enti ni besi wo wiase mu afana ba bi sempo ka China nkwampo ena nka antranko baby aka ne kwankwa nke ebenye ehye ufi ya bembe ho ka we na ka we kaka na ka we na pia indirectly yemu amama no be would have been affected na campus sie ni ya ko ya wiase amama nyina obia yare aseta baby yidi na se Ghana ye hu free mu a enye na wo ka se ni nyina echi no mampe ni ye free na fiase kwa ho efiase nya nsunsanso wo ye so with our import receipts so the ka businessmen ye kranie mani I think support a very very busy pa ye tra dakro income Ghana enye free tema nkanya de ketwa see a party China for hoye ya na started say a reduce kagwa na eba hospital ya ko say Africa de ya close ye port into the huge impact of customs receipts can the customs receipts that all the port income no the land port or the sea port or the ina ka a drop ya to see kra de ya close ye border sa ake kokra no na a very huge impact on our economy. Also, petroleum receipts. Nanka expect a stable income from the petroleum revenue. And so no, yes, no. If your mama baby crying, you producers of oil, cramunya baby in France store because and cover the crano. This year will be a mekredi, you know, the receipts from petroleum and so no akote debt financing and after debt financing say bia obi do ka na wo hwe so wa betia sa bremu ukodan ka enye the positive thing say bia won so no odu obi ka na so go tia e bia also the can be reprofiled and well managed and there circumstances like this, but the fact that we so people with can income be regularly and also unya this year no e kwa refer so ayetimi grow your economy ni na no I say sign echi fiscal discipline na na share so nearby way between no pa baako his ability to stay within his budget margins near this emrakra wo ho a will spend beyond 5% of your budget, Fiscal Responsibility Act. To see papa sa ni na no intimi fiscal discipline share hoso any intimi share hoso expansion in tax net taking number ne den by any say ye wave tax say well ye more apomude income tax no plan ye nyan two bill. This year what the government is also planning and say obema rescue package Ediama businesses to the tune of 600 million. To growth in agriculture. Nyamekran then necessary to see Greek areas. Nomine Western North, Nomine Ade. They are still intact. We hope that they will be alive to feed the rest of the country. Nyame Fefi Nesekoko River Agric all the goods are in our Greek Nina Besai Atiasai. And you know, in the midst of winning, you see him also trying to relieve the people. And now also in so electricity move 50%, Bimukrati, Ebenya is free near there. Then I am understanding it in the light, say our economy is being sacrificed for Nkwa. 10 years ago, some time ago, say see Lucy the economic achievements, you know. That's it may be Nkwa in his view, no better because Papa you might be an best resource and your gold, your diamond, and your box, and your human resource, no. So, and you know, to me, every win that the Nkwa, yes, we are going to lose. Focus up and to see a 6.8 growth now, you know. You will lose here, but see somewhere 2.6. You can see the points. About 4 points down. So, but still, I think that you lose economic achievements, you know. Not because of your new modernity. We say in election year, yes, you are going to see expenditure for filigree. We discover near this. Nasa ankoya sa ne mum no say e jin kwase ne aye kun egu so aye kun di jin kofon kun yeah. Then I think that when we are out of it together ni nyina ye beka bom ni ahwe how ni jure kuri
okay it's a dog free light and free water ayade no kwan so e can say na nka ban no e bia onject says can to the economy rather no be tue wi na fi can say be e be kire ni ade because e ba affect your infrastructure e bia kwan bi o say ye bia expansion bi o say o ba bi nyina na ba affect rather sanka e can say ye mfa mankofo enjoy free e mu de na ka be boye
also will be one more cut to the core of the person. So a bit to say in so any in Kania idea. So ni pano when ya and count you will not even be in a position to assess many of the because our economy no. Maybe I say Ghana mostly majority into services sector. Manufacturing for no so no and manufacturing and the economic adino a situation like this no it's all selective. To see how between my mind there be so JM no Ford no more and can say production ventilator home for nose mask ventilation nose mask so because I mean even though
the profits that will come from vehicle manufacturing, no car. Say, home profit mission there. But then we are GM and I afford now say, oh, yeah, new models of car. Oh, you go. I don't know why now. Oh, yeah, commando. You know, manufacturing would have to skew to show man penny pharmaceuticals for share for the companies via car mobile then latest nose marks nominee at this year. You can see that practically, no, manufacturing side they're very active. Manufacturing Quaco manufacture Bibia, a bebua in our current fight. The mere dominance as our fight each more. All the assistants, I said, the Muma to two. Services maybe a tutum. Package 600 million EBA, they may help us rebuild our economy. In so many lights, the papa so be Samia, Obia here, and you know, it's a human resource, and Ghana, your best economic resource there, and your umomo in so many free, lights free here. I think that now you are actually helping to keep your human resource alive.
Okay.
For the better day.
Okay. Doc, my mama now seen a minya. I'm saying I'm doing from Monday corner. Me sure a discussion. They be expanding more. You will show the best. More happy Easter. So have a wonderful weekend. Okay, Dr. Smart Sapono, Senior Research Fellow, Kumasi Technical University in Amotene, can bring the time to, of course, about 15 more minutes to 8. Hi, Nhyira 104.5 or number 1. I can read social media and Papa Nyamiki Aquatic Papa the General still in the house. Bernard Kusiapia, a chief executive producer of the Kro Yi Mu Nsem show. Sounds also and your best mark and then streaming live or Facebook page at the Maying. Na mamema a quick update. I'm saying Koba say be quiet from Mranti Miensabi any MTTD4 officers be more duty or be quiet. Enya kasakasa kakrama ibi ba menyanti say Omar Mando omo police custody for 2 weeks. Inti we ne update kakra ba Mranti Miensa omone police for ye kakra be quiet hono. Esi ade do mako remand for 3 weeks. Hi Nhyira 104.5 or number 1 I can read this. So what da no so afi ne wanyane a na kufa do no osaka sai o de sempi na na tuja no pe mayemro apopon na wonso yenim komo kakra na ensem no yenyina yenka bi batana word updates kakra ba no nyina na nura wo United States of America we enra anajo the see the bambema no pay update enra nipa 1816 ewu US enra nipa 1816 in the United States of America. Spain, Nipa 655 in the woo Spain. Italy, 610 in the woo Italy. Germany, 258. France, Nipa 1341 in the woo of France and Ra. Iran, Nipa 117 in the woo ye. UK, Nipa 881 in the woo United Kingdom. UK. Tabusia. Common yedin. Ya na empesi be critifi and panic de but minia de no trafi na enough from sa ti yemfa ni agro. But mama quick update afem call no so na yenkodi nkomo kakra e wo wiase nyina. Anopema nugusu ameka say de coronavirus cases e wo wiase nyina no e ye 1,607,595. Manugusu ameka 747 ya manugusu ameka say 1,607,595. Nipa dudu ewu wiase nyina no e ye 95,785. 95,785. Nipa are recover 357,104. 357,164. Nipa etumi a recover no. Ofani breakdown kakra just okoko na afide yem more voice to kakana yemetie from ne be ponsis ya. And the time no and a Good Friday inti. United States of America and still LED with number of cases 468,895. 468,895. New cases abeka ho no 329. Nipa ewo US 16,697. And no, I'm seeing nipa more than 1,000. We are not paying nipa 6. And as I say, Manuguso make say 6 a work on Spain. Nipa do anya be 153,222. Nipa who Spain 15,447. Italy nipa anya be 143,626. Nipa who Italy still leading 18,279. Germany 118,235. Nipa who Germany 2,607. France bomonim ye pa 117,749. Nipa who France 12,210. Abusia China ankasa yare ni fi wo baaye no sisi ade omunko babia o omuye 81,907. Nipa who China 3,336. Tabusia de kono no igna yenhwe ehu yi ade no enough from sa Africa country lead Egypt 1,699. Nipa who Egypt 118. Algeria and a twice with 1,666. Nipa who Algeria 235. Tabusia oba enye easy. Burkina Faso next any Ghana boshe no omonya 443. Nipa wo Burkina Faso 24. Cote d'Ivoire 444. Ye next neighbor inti Cote d'Ivoire atre Ghana, Burkina Faso atre Ghana. Inti Cote d'Ivoire ti se omo na 444. Nipa wo Ivory Coast and Cote d'Ivoire 3, but Burkina 443. Nipa wo no 24. Ye se Ghana yenso ye 378. Nipa wo Ghana 6. Nigeria 288. Nipa wo Nigeria 7. Ti we ni update kakra between the amount. Yentie voice note kakra ba. Na fi yenko line so na yenko bi phone line so tuntum ye me tie for amusum tie anope nyina entoto adwen na kufu ado akasa sen ena wusi ho no amafo pie na adwencheni.
Hello, good morning. Me pa atwe me kasa free wade edo makanse new site. Me pa atwe me dey ni fat. Me pa atwe omoso mo na omoso mo chiche aduane. Why not some from where a fee enche emo? So half bag of Korean Panonim, so when you have bag over manage because on my name more deal. Go to me free a cockroom so cotton a duare. And no one they shen name Crawford. Then the my lockdown, yeah, lockdown. I will say to me, baby, a chin a fee. Because to pay vote, I would have fear say, me patch of vote, and then do lockdown. Want me would have fear. Anje chemu.
You never had a sin on Sergeant Show the Abane to us. Hello.
Papa, good morning. Your friend me, Kumasi Kutia Hene, Nana Quabrentim, because a free book quenchentem. Papa, and ye a Christopher Nka, a Nijida, and so. Nyamini nim, dear way, manema. As I'm Cassia Bay, Nim say Yami de Queen in the Pebi, say a Yancy Sayajin, and I say, would ye upon a fully be. Na free more. Inti nyina yinko yinko to dwanim ne mompaye na dia ba nyankopon onhuembo na wonnom ye. Amen.
Amen. Yet also, hello, good morning.
Well. The aquatic Papa Nyameke. Nsema kotoko hiniba Papa Nyameke. Papa de General. Papa mpacho anope me moachi. Ye fleme ya mponsa meka sefri asante achim krufa himfie me shabrusa no so na metie Nhyira FM. Papa Nyankopon Nhyira papa mpacho mamenchia onabo kolenso usu amankwa amenchia North MP. Nyamenchia no papa ura na omonsa mfa namra waya de. Na papa memmo osia de yo na adodankwa akufu ado prekese jama adu a ofitikutia na ne ho age afiefie mabaso pa na akufu ado wachire se odwene wo man ho na papa ngomaso nye ne modi oni yi mu a wode ne boso me nsa katua ane ba omi ade ache omen coronavirus yemfenko wasan so se water bay yentua boso me nsa odinkane akura electricity base wasan beka ho na dodanko kufuado Nyankopon Nhyira owura na papa me chieti yefu ina medase
yes that's Yamponsa Kro Yi Mu Nsem. So hello, good morning.
Good morning, Papa Nyamike. I'm watching you. I'm a person Kanya. Any issue somewhere I can. Issue ya I waterful. Tafu formers no. Issue no ya dance to. Ya toma nti ye hu sani aye koso say. Ye issue free bia wo. Dance.
Sai issue say last year address it. Miama tie sanitation minister and local government minister. Omo dia tudwa. Say eya no mu sankofo no yet omo commission certain commission bi. Enti nsuo no mungu so for mankofo free. But last year discuss asem wa. Se bebie na nkofo bu nsuo no ton no. A gap public pipe na nkofo bu ton na tisi abansi enfama free no. Ebi mu so sese omo nya nton biem. Omo nfama free dia. Omo nton na omo nfama free ni so biem. But ye bomodian say ye be underground investigation. Menyanche santas ne ade areas be na shade ne koso. Ye betu one amon. Ne de ni gene ko hwe sampa. Ha na obunsuo no ton. Na fa ba se ye mu ni free ne de. O se ye mu ni free na ko bu ni free nti no wunya nton de a. Ne ehu ni paso ni pa bone ni a woti wiase. Ne ehu ni pa bone ni a woti wiase because abam ye nyantia say ye mam commission kan ne no mu ne tua. Any man may be kitty, but we'll do more about that. Today, we have to for my if you need the no crack, send out tongue in Siono. Abasi buni free, also buni free dear, and the woman current to what to media. You better be actually. Or the young temperature. Next person can send inquiry.
Yo, good morning, Kofi Asante. This is Snazzy Obed, a student of Garden City University College, Kumasi, Kenya. Sir, president no directive nay and some more kind that was Nhyira. Our can say lockdown will be extended 1 week. No, Utini your cycle says subjected to review. Mementi as any say 1 week no crano ebebo because when CP and say 1 week, but okay subjected to review can which means say you bet me a review and I will review so a bet me abo and I say bet here but what share the way cases near rising now, massa, many sure say subjected to review the paper for my day, quani ebeko, and a view so. Who say Bibia or cut 3 months, 3 months, 3 months. My year light bill 3 months, issue 3 months, we doctors 3 months, pay salary, basic salary near there. Mimi who is say lockdown there for 3 months. So, and no, I am urging Ghanaians say Obian cycling home prepare and home adjune muye and you say lockdown there. Massa here for 3 months. And Mobian function team say 1 week. That's it.
All right, that is no opinion and an analysis based on the situation and now they are banned. But you take a kind of the inquiry line on your copy calls or some few.
Papa Nyamike, good morning. Papa Chamhoye. Would you say Yam Way? Baby, our Uncle Kofi, as Anthony Kofi Jim will be a Michel. Papa, look there, day 1 a year coming. Adding there. And Mr. Mamma say a 10 year movie. Monkai and so. We are vulnerable, born more, what if you come so one quite only be. Oh, we are newspapers out of that, as you know, man, yes, Monkai, why? That's
good morning. How about what to say?
Wow, Facher himself, Casano, I may between the Babaka, in nearby Facher, Papa.
But and somehow Papa, and simple bray hat, very well from Castle mind. My lockdown, and I'm more absorbable light, electricity. What's my be quite? You went to Jessica. Not the way idea. And 3 weeks. You never a bit my hair. And some of
I was maybe I wouldn't the purpose of the lockdown. The purpose of the lockdown is to keep the spread and the transmission of Sayariano. Ain't it? Say, oh, your mom quiet light there. Every so much quiet. I'm now, Mammy for infantry president. 37,000 contact tracings and a yeguso ye 14,000 results na ba nipa 77 and yebino was he expect another 1,000 the 10,000 no yes within the next week I don't so ba and a behu since aso enti abusia ye minya botre na you observe the necessary precaution enye easy ma ye nyina sa enye easy but yare no si ahwe ni yie na ye de di agro said America for e de di agro enra na mitimi ni aba gift anti ewo network bi so na o hye ekwan e fa so ano ofi Ghana ha ekọ Ghana for ye ye so tight no ko do UK okodu a Germany ni ade ache say omo agum no hand sanitizer say omo mfa ho a it tells you say na abofo no mfa yare ni serious Intenyanwa say yare no ate say wo because emra na Ghana you so much conscious your education na ya dwen ye ho no okopia brochire no mfa ho kra and now look at even especially US na Donald Trump no nji Chinese virus should you see
Papa be mamu nyina machi obi o ti multimedia bi asomechia no papa cho efemi na po junior mame mo president Kufuor Abaso papa ni obi a Ghana dala koma so papa or journey future generation no meso mo nyina first support internet na nyama da toto akwem no titrio distances now say mendant meso mo nyina support na bibia enye kama miko ba meche menu aba ba fe na ya en birthday or just.
Good morning, senior. I'm Michael from Tech. Pacho Nanado, Yababona Baso, one your more dear Guaquem, and easy cry, what try in Confobisum Nefidi, but we beat your money now. Make a cry mechanism, Kumasim Penny for KMNA regional minister. This is the perfect opportunity for them to put measures in place. After this lockdown, Yakoponya Adoma, sanity backroom, people selling on pavement, central markets, baby and this is the perfect time to put measures, critical measures in place. After this lockdown, sanity will be in town. There will be free movement of vehicles and I think this is a perfect opportunity to do some things. May that's a pa Nyakopon sham.
Nyakopon so enhia so busia enche na ye soro so ne na otwia na ye so se jade aka nyina dia ma Pastor Jerry anope na a Good Friday ye be ma update kakra e de fe no na dodan kwa Kufuor ne nsem course no nto no ba obi phone lines atum na munyina motumi afre na chese ma wo hye amanfo nyina happy Easter ne ade. Don't forget say na ye Easter into no eja dia koba no your number one account radio station Nhyira 104.5 or number one account radio station and pay also guswa ye the bro no media ne papa nyameke you streaming so live your official Facebook and pay mama fa happy Easter and family my TV me ka say na ka meche credit babu sha me time ni sent mo fa che me ka say na ka meche credit say last week Monday me mam 50 series credit ka say fimi ka say me boto ma doya kakra jamo am lockdown betumi dia mamo no nyame adoma Monday be che bebre e dia mamo mama fa good morning kese pa mfa mama busuafo a mo enzema me mama ne busuafo nyina me mamu nyina happy Easter sanso ena eye happy Easter so enkoma busuafo mo wasante mampo no asante mampo yansante asem de kra me akasa madam fo kosa madam fo ba kwa nyina no basante mampo dia one of the guys sana cheso mo so humble and respectful guys some more asante mampo e aduma quality hospital enu ya kosa si amike said the on campus for tia mabushafo nyina Jacob Daddy Bosco lawyer Gregory mu nyina mo eye Mampon campus issue ni other guys nyina mo asante Mampon nyina mamu nyina Jacob sanso so na me akasa me wife ne me manyina Mase na na Badu ne Mr. Hortense ene me manyina papa nana mamichi sister Lily and my wife mamunyina happy Easter yakasa me chairman bakope chairman AG1 chairman of all chairman and I pay me happy Easter sounds so and mini osesi be no way or sante be quite happy Easter so come nana mo big time nana mo yakasa me papa bakopaka nana me happy Easter so nyakopon kan papa sounds so and nana buadi anra nana buadi nana biwo e brokoma state me ma happy Easter na ye nana ba ko no so bon hu nana mo ama hene nana jenim boaten enso bomodin akopi mu amama enso se ko cheche nuane enne ni me bebre e wa mo ama ntina na yakopon so enkan papa eni adwuma pa wo ye so boa wo man ti yakopon enhyira obia sanso so na me chairman age da no so no achi so age Veronica bucket ene hand sanitizers disposable fence the pepper and some be no tissues and ni bebre and so the koboa ne man for mo adem bra dance asokwa nyina so the boa na fom de ono so ye no yakopon enhira mo nti yakopon nhira obia de obia ye de aboa se de be ya COVID-19 coronavirus and spreading nyina ye mamu nyina dwuma pa mo ye especially your frontline health workers mo koso nya dwuma den and for mo ye mega but ma min class adie we nra ma peke report am say report ye na nra chi ne nra se kopie mo jaachi abrante bi ai so fi Cote d'Ivoire ba ya na yes if ye gidi se na wonya coronavirus ni binti ama kwa yin se bebre no ma peke report se abrante no wonya yare ni bi enti re nyame adoma Monday be di akire ba report ne signal ma peke chese enye nokre bi anim sa abrante no owo sa yare ni bi e wo jaachi wonti mo a sa asem ne ko ba ya na eye se bebre no nokro bi anim e wo ho but this notion nyame adoma Monday be tutu ye pa amanfo amoso mo circulate enra National Communication Authority issue statement senko for 5G na ye pes ba no no e ya dey to spread the coronavirus but mo dey tudwa said there's no relationship, there's no link between 5G technology or network and coronavirus. It is so yes, so 5G matisa this pastor B Nhyira pastor B the pastor Chris and so I tape B and as a video be go first circulate no and no I'm catching my madam back say he has little knowledge or no idea about the 5G. People need to read more. Me patcha now internet is so cheap, is so available. Just Google 5G technology and a network. It will tell you much more about 5G. It's a kind of non-ionizing system. Any friends any harmful and what any be on so. I mean it's an improvement of the 1G, 2G, 3G, 4Gs and the 5G. So 4G and Kuma and then the 5G between your kum. I mean okay what they say officer yeboa who more use 4G. And then we see 3G. No, look at how a person download BB from 3G here, and a person who should download BB from 4G here. The fastness and how is it here? Even though 4G by you data kakrade, but we say very fast. Who the Sophia Kokurebiasi now can somehow edge. She should be WhatsApp grandpa. So people should get that thing out of their mind. Say 5G nebano, and they spread the coronavirus. It is not true, and you're not correct. And now, my job online, National Communication Authority, and you should statement. Come at them at the training from 1991. I started with 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G up to 5G. Since again, I'm paying 5G, but I are there back into the system. I just said, they are into the moment is a notion I've been trim, say 5G, no, a baby queen and a baby say, no Krubian into Munyai Pasa Chris, the video now circulating, or he has little knowledge or no idea about what 5G is all about. I would say, yet technology, even though you say Yaria Bay Crampon store, you to me no, but and no correct say 5G na ebano, ebekunipa, and as a best spread the COVID-19. Anyway, I'm here to Monday best to us. Bidiani Papa Nyamika Aquati. Once again, happy birthday, Nkoma, say Yaunimako. Or your producer, sounds your presenter. Angel FM. Mijamudia Maya, Suffolk, Jeremiah, very handsome. Charlie, okay, a man a panas, but only in Pampema. Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem. And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosubane meja paye entishia mosumfo eduana ba Kofi Asante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho eduada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebrekro na. Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now, Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Sama e ko su kuma se no. Yan kan we yeti ko ka obi dia.